Monsters. In primetime news this evening, you're creating monsters. Cornwall Bar Association demands changes to the release process for persons detained in states of emergency. Cocoa farmers hurting as frosty pod rot disease ravage fields. Modern day heroes, hundreds of nation builders recognized at the National Heroes Day Awards. And fish stock replenished thanks to conservation efforts in Centenary. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Vashon Brown. There's also the business day, sports and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question. We're asking this evening, who do you suggest should be Jamaica's 8th national hero and why? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.